Welcome to our Excel tutorial. Today, we're going to learn how to compare two lists located in different worksheets. We'll explore a method using a combination of Excel functions and another method using VBA code for more advanced control. Let's start with the formula method, which utilizes the versus lookup, if, and as error functions to compare lists. Assuming you have two lists of data in different worksheets, and you want to check if the values in the first list, sheet 2A1, A5, are present in the second list, sheet 6A1, A5. You can use the following formula in cell B1 of the first worksheet, where A1 is the first cell of your list in sheet 2. Equals if, is error, VLOOKUP, A1, sheet 6 feet, $1, $5, 1, false, no, yes. After typing the formula, drag the fill handle down to apply it to the other cells in your list. This will compare each value against the second list. The formula will return yes if the value is found in the second list and no if it is not. This allows you to quickly see which items are present in both lists. For our second method, we'll write a VBA macro to compare the lists. This method offers more flexibility and can handle larger datasets or more complex comparisons. To begin, press Alt plus F11 to open the Visual Basic for Applications editor. This integrated development environment is where we'll craft our macro. In the VBA editor, go to Insert tab and select Module to create a new module. This module will hold the code for our comparison macro. Now, let's write a VBA macro. Our macro will define the ranges of the two lists from different worksheets. Loop through each item in the first list. Search for the item in the second list. Output the result, yes or no, to a new column in the first worksheet. Copy and paste the provided VBA code into the new module. Once your macro is written, return to Excel, and go to the Developer tab. If the Developer tab is not visible, you can enable it in Excel Options. In the Developer tab, click on Macros, select your newly created macro, and click Run. Ensure your lists are in the correct worksheets and that the ranges are properly defined. After running the macro, you'll see the comparison results in the second column of your first list. A yes indicates the item is present in the second list, while a no indicates it is not. This VBA macro compares the items in the first column of sheet 2 inches with those in sheet 6, and outputs the results in the second column of sheet 2. Make sure to adjust the sheet names and ranges if necessary to match your specific workbook setup. You've successfully compared two lists across different worksheets using a VBA macro. This method provides a powerful way to automate list comparisons and can be customized for various data analysis tasks. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to explore VBA for more advanced Excel functionalities. For more Excel tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe to our channel.